Hi everybody, it's Tereese. I am here to share a package I got in the mail today, and it's from Terryeo1, I think. I could be wrong. um, this is the consolation prize for the Julie Nutting 2020 celebration, and I thought that was such a sweet idea. For Terry to send out something for everybody that participated. Thank you so much, Terry. I'm about to open it. I didn't look in it. Oh my gosh. Make sure I got everything. I bet this is a little note. Cute. Oh, I love this envelope. And it says, "Hi Tereese, thank you for joining us in our Julie Nutting Doll 2020 celebration. I hope you enjoyed these small little token of appreciation." Oh, I will. Thank you, thank you. That is so sweet. Oh, you didn't have to send me anything. Oh, look at that. Oh my gosh, is this a card? Now, if you guys haven't seen Tina, who's Tom, thank you, here on YouTube. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, look at this card. Oh, I love it. I love it, Terry. So cool. And she stamped a lot of these girls. I don't know if she stamped it or she reduced it because these are a lot smaller. But that's a great idea. And she fussy cut them and she colored them. Oh my gosh. And she did a whole bunch of them too. That's what I need to do. Love it. And look how cute. There's an altered paper clip. And then I think these, oh my gosh, these are die cuts or ephemera pieces. Oh my gosh, okay. I have to open it up. Oh no, add these. I love ice cream. Oh, I think I see a kite. Let me bring it all out. Look at that. Oh, I love it. And a watermelon. Oh, let me bring it down. Sorry. Some watermelon. Another ice cream. Cupcake. A beach ball. Oh my gosh. Thank you. I love these. Look at that. I know these die cuts take time. You have to glue them together. Oh, this is a nice one for a summer themed. I don't have any of those. Oh, pineapple. Ice, shave ice. A crab, a slipper. Strawberry. Oh my gosh, I love these. There's another slipper and a bee. Oh my gosh, I love all of this. This is a great idea. But the time and effort you put into that, Terry, oh my gosh. And I love these cards. So cute. I love this. This, you should have just sent me this. This. That's it. I would have been happy. But look what she sent me. A hot dog, a pizza. Yum. Oh my gosh. I love this. Thank you so much, Terry. Okay, and she sent some more goodies. We'll work for craft supplies. I think we'll all work for craft supplies. And how do I open this? Do I open this from the bottom? Okay. Okay. No. How do I open this? Okay. You know what? I'm gonna do a little sliver so I don't ruin anything. And voila. Oh, how cool. She sent me some stamped images. Oh, Terry, thank you so much. Ruby, Jill. I don't think I have her. Oh my gosh. And I think I just got her. So, oh my gosh, that's going to be so much fun. Oh my gosh. You sent so much. Oh, look at these little envelopes. I love little tiny envelopes. Look at this card. Oh, I love her. I love the plaid. Oh, I love these library cards too. Oh my gosh, look at that. Isn't that the cutest? I think I have both these dolls. I want to use her maybe in the next collaboration. I did not get my project done in time for this month or this week. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, I love it. Embellishments. I want to put this on something. Oh my gosh, this is awesome. Thank you so much, Terry. I appreciate it so much. You didn't have to. You know, I did a tag for a swamp, and I just thought I'd enter in. I didn't think I'd get some goodies, so thank you so much. And I want to thank everybody for stopping by today. Thank you, Terry, and the collaborators. They do such wonderful work, each and every one of them. And yeah, so you guys will have to go and check them out. I'll try to link everybody down below. If you guys haven't, watch these a bunch of ladies that do phenomenal work. They come and do all kinds of amazing things, and you know, I love watching them. I love chatting with them on Dee's lives and even Tina's lives, and you know, they're just a great bunch of ladies. So thank you, Terry, for this great prize. I love everything. I'm going to use them. I have some ideas. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great week. Stay safe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.